Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Realme GT2. So on this device we have Google Lens, so we have two ways for that. The first one is by opening the Google Photos or your Gallery app. And now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one, and tap on the Google Lens icon. All process starting automatically, and as you can see there we have a similar photos. That was our first method. The second one is by the Google Chrome. So we have Google Chrome or any other web browser, go to google.com, and it's very necessary switch your web browser to the desktop side. You have to do that for this method. Now tap on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Tap allow and choose the photo from the gallery. Like this one. And now, like before, it's all the process starting automatically and we're looking for the same or the similar photos. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.